Welcome everyone to the beautiful Taupo-Kaingaroa and to the Taupo District Council meeting. Mr. Bill Hall is with us very kindly today from the Whanua Te block and Tupari. Kia ora, Bill. Would you mind be able to avail yourself of giving us a karakia today, Bill, just to wish us good luck for our meeting? Thank you.
Kia ora no tātou. Te hauri nui kia tātou. Te tō mātou matui te rangi, kia tapu tō ingoa, kia tai mai tō rangatira. Kia me te tau e pai ai ki rungi ki te whenua ke rita no ki tō te rangi. O mai kia mātou aia nei he taro mā mātou mō tēnei rā, murua o mātou ara. Me mātou hoki e muri nei o te hunga haranana kia mātou. O hoki mātou e kau e ke whakawaia, engari whakarongi o mātou i te kino. No hoki te rangatira tanga te kaha me te gloria ake. Amen. Kia ora.
Thank you so much for guiding us through this morning's activities. Special mention to Councillor Truman being in your patch out here. Lovely to be here once again. Councillor Truman and pass on our thanks to the facility available. So good afternoon staff and good afternoon councillors. The agenda, which is this meeting, is the July meeting. We have been in August, so welcome everyone. And I'll call for apologies. I have Councillor Harvey. Apologies, and I think other than that we've got a full complement. Is that correct? Yep. So can I just have a move of that apologies? Moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Stewart. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. Any conflicts of interest on any of the items today by any of the councillors? You can register them now, would be good. No? Okay, we'll go to item number 1, which is the confirmation of minutes of the ordinary council meeting on the 28th of June 2016. If I could have any matters arising from those minutes or any changes to those minutes, please.
Just one small point.
Councillor Body.
If we go to 1/8 under Chief Executive Officer's report, just in relation to the budget of Crown Road floodlighting, it states in the minutes that it was now 200,000. This will be corrected for next month's report. There's no reports for those actions, so would there be a note to add into the September report? Correct.
Thank you. Okay, Councillor Body. Thank you, Mr. Green. Okay, any other matters arising from those minutes? Okay, we can go to the extraordinary meeting on the 20th of July. And we'll move them on block. Any matters arising or any clarification of those minutes, please? No, that's been the case. Can I have a move for those minutes, please? Moved by Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. Okay, so item number 2. Receipt of the minutes of the Fred Committee, Fences, Roading, Reserves and Dogs Committee. Any of those any matters arising from those minutes? Straightforward. Okay. Have a move for those minutes, please. Moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Cousins. Thank you. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried. Emergency Management Committee meeting on the 20th of the 6th, 2016. Any matters arising from those minutes? Councillor Park.
Through the Chief, just a correction on 2/10. At the bottom of item 7, Councillor Truman did speak about the Justice and Emergency Management Services Precinct. It's actually to be open to Christchurch in 2017, rather than Wellington. Is that, sorry, through the chair, is that coming up as the next part of a resolution? Because there was one with the TRMP committee as well. So I can speak to that recommendation in the absence of Mr. Fox, but I just wondered when was appropriate. Oh, right.
Okay.
So,
Talking to the recommendation on 2/9.
yeah, so basically, we felt that for the sake to be transparent, and in the case of if there were to be an emergency, that there is a clear line of delegation for whoever the controller may be in charge of the situation at that time. And so if we put in a delegation of 100k, it would then give some comfort to who was in charge of that event at the time, who then would work closely with this Mr. Graham, the CEO, on what the thresholds and where to go from there were depending on the situation. It's not something that all councils have, but for the sake of transparency and for the sake of giving someone some clear direction if they were to come into our district and have to take over, we thought it prudent to have that in there.
Okay.
And just through the chair, just to speak in support of Councillor Park, we need to realise too that the Act in the case of an event, there are a lot of powers that these controllers have anyway. So this is really just to give us some clarity and give them some guidance. And it is only for declared emergencies.
Cool.
Not very.
Thank you, Councillor Johnson. Just checking, can you guys hear down there, all right? Speakers are working. Pete, you're good? Okay. All right, thank you. So those minutes, any other matters arising from those minutes? Could I have a move for those minutes, please? Moved by Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Trewavas. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried. Item number 3, Turangi Reserves Management Plan Committee. We got that name right? Yep, good. Okay, any matters arising or clarification of those minutes, please? Councillor
I'd just like to make a comment. I was at that meeting, and the enthusiasm of the persons there was to be remarked on. I hope it goes forward in the same vein. And can I congratulate Councillor Stewart on her input? It was interesting listening.
So I just want to say it's a wonderful feeling that this is happening, and it's been a long time coming, but it's been something that we've been jointly working together, and I'm just really happy that it is happening.
Councillor Stewart. Councillor Body will move by Councillor Stewart, seconded by Councillor Hickley. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried. Item number 3, Waikato. Sorry? Oh, there's a recommendation there too. And the recommendation will be endorsed. All good? Let's do the second resolution.
As long as those who move the second.
Yeah, those in second are happy for the recommendation there. Item number 3, Waikato